Welcome to What to Expect on a Field Line Job. Field lines, also known as leach lines or drain fields, are part of a septic system that dispose of wastewater from a property. The first step is assessing the existing septic system and seeing if new field lines are needed. This involves checking for signs of failure, such as backups, odors, and standing water. Once that's established, we move on to planning the installation. At Roto-Rooter, it's always essential that we have the necessary permits. We follow all Alabama wastewater guidelines and regulations. Once we've located the septic, we will have our pumping division come out and empty the tank. This gives us a clean slate and also prevents any spill out along the way. The trench depth is determined by various factors including location regulations, the type of soil, and the specific design of the septic system. Using state-of-the-art tools and laser levels, we will find out exactly what our depth needs to be on every project. Once that's found, we can accurately dig the trench accordingly and know that we are hitting the right place. We know our depth, we have our plan in place, now we start to dig. In the next phase of our project, we begin to lay our chambers. These chambers allow the treated effluent to seep into the surrounding soil. It's important to connect them properly to the septic tank with the correct slope and alignment. In the last step of our process, it's time to backfill the trenches with soil, avoiding excessive compaction. Proper backfilling is important to maintain the structural integrity of the system. Once this is complete, we recommend waiting 45 to 60 days before re-landscaping. For more information, call us at Roto-Rooter and we'll take care of all your field line needs.